And we're rolling.
All right, Dave. What I'm going to show you today is the latest headset we've designed for U.S. Special Operations Command. The headset is known as the Dominator, and it was developed with a team of operators over the last 2 years, based out of Virginia Beach. And basically, what the platform provides is multiple forms of radio reception. You receive via bone conduction through the facial bones on both the left and right hand side. You also have electronic earpieces that are actually stowed away on the side piece housing, as you can see here. That piece can be removed from the ear, or removed from the holder, placed into the ear, and that will provide you comms, electronic hearing protection, and ambient amplification. Transmit is done through a waterproof noise canceling microphone. The desire of the client was they had seen so many in-the-ear devices that were currently on the market that did not have a boom microphone and did not have facial reception. All those systems that were on the market forced you to have something in your ear at all times, both to receive and transmit. And this particular unit just got tired. Their ears were fatigued. Lots of pain associated with it, and they didn't like the quality of the radio transmission out of the ear. So they had used our bone conduction for years.
So you can take this out and you can store it. So
absolutely. So you can remove that from your ear. For instance, you're going to hit a threat. Moving in on a threat, you can place this in, protect your hearing. Once that threat is eliminated, rather than having to have that in your ear at all times, the operator reaches up, pushes it into the side piece housing, and stores it away. He still has radio communications through his face, and he can still transmit because he uses a boom microphone rather than transmit from the ear.
Right.
Okay?
It's waterproof.
It is. It's IP67 rated. It was tested by the client in a combat evaluation against other companies, and obviously met all the IP67 water requirements of the client, which are 3 feet 30 minutes, salt water or fresh. The push-to-talk system, going back to some of the other ones that are on the marketplace, we utilize no software. There's not some voice or tones being beeped through your ears when you hook the system up. There are no batteries in the system. We draw a minimum amount of power off of the radio platform that the customer uses. In this particular case with this client, it's either a Harris Falcon or a Talus M-Biter. If you look at the PTT box, this is a single comm. This was a specific design request of the client. The client wants to wear his M-Biter on the side, uses the push-to-talk box, mounts it there. Over, if you look on this side, there are volume controls up and down. These do not control the volume of the radio. They control the volume of the ambient earpieces when they're in your ears. So the operator will set that, wraps a cummerbund of armor around it, and conceals the entire package. For his push-to-talk, we take a small 90-degree connector, 45 degrees in toward the vest, wrap it up through his MOLLE system, and here's his entire control system on his MOLLE vest is about 1 inch by 1 inch by 3/4 of an inch.
Right, and who makes the connectors again?
Odoo. They're based out of Germany, been in business for about 80 years. And ODU, and they have a huge plant in the United States. We teamed with them. One of the other keys with these connectors are 17 pounds of pull strength to get them off. So there's not a great deal of concern about catching them on something and then breaking loose. Also, there's no slides in them to pull them out, so there's no chance of sand getting in there and blocking those out. In terms of accessory cables, transition for a Peltor headset, plug in a Peltor. We have a low visibility kit, ruggedized 2-wire kit. You can hook into an ICS, iPhone, BlackBerry, iPod. We also, if you walk down here, one of the crucial things that's needed by the groups today
hold on. We'll start a new one up.
Okay.